Hey guys, today I'm gonna go around and see if people want my cock. I was just wondering, would you be fine if I whoop on my cock right here?
Nigga, you wanna get
the
fuck out, bro? What the fuck's wrong with you?
I just wanted to hold my cock. I'm saying if you guys can hold my cock.
Yeah, you wanna get beat up in public though? What the fuck's wrong with you?
Oh yeah, you're gonna beat me up?
Yeah, what's wrong with you, nigga?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? I'm asking you a normal question. Do you want to hold my cock? I got the joke now.
This nigga has a rooster in the bag.
You know you like that, bro. Girlfriend? No. Oh, do you guys care if I whoop on my cock?
Alright, fuck off.
Huh?
Alright, fuck off.
Why? Because what? You don't want a cock? I know this is really random, but is any of you interested to see my cock?
Not really.
No?
No, it's probably too small.
You know, huh? It's probably small. Yeah. Would you get offended if I whooped on my cock?
Yes.
Huh? Because I'm showing you a cock.
Like a boss! Like a boss!
I just came here to show you guys. Do you guys want to see my cock?
Your cock?
Yeah.
She'll see it.
I don't.
You don't want to see it?
I love cock.
You guys want to see my cock?
Sure, why not? Show your cock.
All right. I'll show my cock. Fine.
Oh, shit.
You like that?
Oh, shit. That's beautiful. Can I take a picture of your cock?
Yeah.
Look at this pecker, though.
Let's go.
See my cock?
If you insist, man.
You insist?
Yeah. For the camera, man.
Take a picture?
No. Hi guys, how you doing? I was just wondering, that's your girlfriend's, right?
Yeah.
So you would get offended if I whooped on my cock?
Probably.
Yeah, you can take that shit somewhere else, bro.
They wouldn't want to take a picture next to my cock?
Bro, are you being serious right now?
Huh?
Are you being serious right now?
Yeah.
Are you being serious?
I'm being very serious. I'm just.
Oh, man, I need to take that
You don't want to see a cock?
I was about to split you in your
That's
shit, bro.
the reaction we're looking for. Look, you're on camera, man. That was awesome.
I want to see this. Can I pet him?
Yeah, of course. He's good.
He definitely has a scrotum. Oh, you are so
Oh my
funny.
God.
I was gonna say, I don't know how to put this. Would you guys be okay with me whooping on my cock?
No.
Why?
Because we're not gay.
Huh?
We're not gay.
Who said you're gay?
They're in the bag.
I just want to show you my cock.
I knew.
Excuse me, would you like to eat my cock for dinner? I was playing actually. Relax, damn. It's a rooster. May I give you a kiss?